The death anniversary of the great social thinker Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay was observed today. Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay has been the source of the ideological guidance of the Bharatiya Janata Party since its inception. Paying tributes to Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay, the Prime Minister said his principles and ideals of serving society are the guiding force for himself. Let's look at this report. The death anniversary of the great social thinker and political scientist Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay was observed on Saturday. A profound philosopher, organizer par excellence, and a leader who maintained the highest standards of personal integrity, Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay has been the source of ideological guidance and moral inspiration for the BJP since its inception. He was born on the 25th of September 1916 in the village Chandraban, now called Deendayal Dham, near Farah town in Mathura district. Remembering Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay on his death anniversary, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said, "I bow to Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay on his Punya Tithi. His principles and ideals of serving society are our guiding force." Various functions were held across the country to pay tribute to Deendayal Upadhyay on his Punya Tithi. Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Venkaiah Naidu participated in Sampark Divas Karyakram and paid tributes to him on his Punya Tithi at Keshav Memorial High School in Hyderabad. Remembering Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay, Venkaiah Naidu said that Pandit Deendayal placed Jan Sangh on the foundation of integral humanism. His theory of Antodaya is the guiding principle of our society. While remembering Bharatiya Janata Sangh ideologue, RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat called him a great philosopher.
दीनदयाल जी की राजनीति में रुचि नहीं थी कि गुरु जी को उन्होंने कहा कि कहाँ भेज रहे हैं आप? मेरी तो बिल्कुल रुचि नहीं है राजनीति। गुरु जी ने उनको कहा कि इसीलिए तुमको भेज रहे हैं। जब तुम्हारी रुचि होने लगेगी तब तुमको वापस ले लेंगे। राजनीति को कर्तव्य मानकर दीनदयाल जी राजनीति में गए।
After the formation of the Bharatiya Janata Sangh in 1951, he became one of its general secretaries and early in January 1968 its president. Upadhyay conceived the political philosophy of integral humanism, the guiding philosophy of the Bharatiya Janata Party. He visualized for India a decentralized polity and self-reliant economy with the village as its base. He welcomed modern technology but wanted it to be adapted to suit Indian requirements. Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay, through his thoughts, exerted deep influence on future leaders like Atal Bihari Vajpayee and L.K. Advani. There have been many leaders in the Janata Sangh. Many others worked very hard. But Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay was the one who worked for its attaining the dignity it achieved. As a matter of fact, the BJP has become the largest political party in the world. Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay is counted amongst the great leaders like Jai Prakash Narayan and social reformer Ram Manohar Lohia. Deendayal Upadhyay had a tremendous capacity for organization and reflected different aspects of a social thinker, economist, educationist, politician, writer and journalist. Deendayal ji's personality was a rare combination of commitment, clarity and pragmatism. He died on the 11th of February 1968 in Mughal Sarai in Uttar Pradesh while travelling in a train. Bureau Report, DD News.